Did you know that you can make money by selling AI stickers? It's true. Platforms like Redbubble and TeePublic offer excellent opportunities to start an online business. And the best part? You don't even need to be a skilled artist. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create and sell AI stickers. From doing niche research, checking trademarks, and designing your stickers using AI tools. We'll cover it all. So if you're looking for a simple and fun way to make money online, this video is for you. Niche research. To start selling AI stickers, you must do quick niche research on Redbubble. This is necessary because it will help you find a high-ranking niche so people can easily find your sticker. Go to Google and search for Redbubble popular tags. Click on the first result and it will take you to this page. Redbubble's popular tags is a handy list of all the hot keywords on Redbubble. This list ensures you always have the latest trending keywords. It displays the keyword's popularity and the change in popularity, the number of search results, and the change in search results. Remember, the lower the popularity value, the higher the keyword is trending, so make sure you choose a keyword with a low popularity value. Additionally, it's recommended to have fewer than 1,000 search results for your keywords. When there are 10 or even 100,000 search results, there is a lot of competition, making it challenging to sell your stickers. So I have picked Assassin's Creed. Its popularity is 59, and its search results are 406. Trademark Check. Once you've selected a keyword, checking if it's copyrighted is essential. If you don't know, you cannot use copyrighted keywords. To do this, you can visit Temhunt and click on Split Search. Having this specific tab open is essential, as the other two tabs won't provide accurate results. Paste your keyword and adjust the search result to 100. After that, click on Search. There are two important columns to check: Trademark and Status. When you search for a keyword and find only a few letters or words of the keyword with live status, it's perfectly fine to use that keyword. However, if you come across the entire keyword in the list and it is marked as live, you are not allowed to use it, but you can see there are no results with full words. It means this keyword is not copyrighted and you can use it. Create a design. I've encountered several AI tools, but one that I found particularly impressive is Midjourney. In my experience, it outshines other AI art generators by producing stunning graphics. To generate a design, go to Midjourney. Look at their different plans, but don't bother with their standard, pro, or mega plan. Their basic plan, priced at $10 monthly, should suit your needs. After subscribing, you will be redirected to this page. Click on the prompt bar. Your designs must feature a transparent background. However, you should know that Midjourney cannot produce art with a transparent background. I will add a prompt with a white background, but later tell you how to remove it. Type Imagine and click on the above option. You have to enter this command when you have to generate images. Then, explain what kind of images you want to be generated. I'll type Action Assassin's Creed, drawing in a sticker type on a white background. Q2, V6. This Q2 means the images will be of higher quality. Press Enter, and it will probably take a minute or less than that to have your designs ready. As you can see, Midjourney has generated 4 high-quality, action-packed Assassin's Creed designs. All of them look amazing. You can pick any design you like for your sticker. I'll go with the 4th design. Just click on U4 to upscale it. Then, click on the Upscale design and click Open in Browser. When the design is opened in the browser, click the download icon to save it on your computer. Upscale Image. After you have downloaded your design, head over to IMG Upscaler. To achieve the maximum quality, select the 400% option and upload your design. Click Start, and the Image Upscaler will begin upscaling your image. Once the process is complete, click Download to save the image. Remove background. After saving your design, open up the Files Explorer. You'll notice that your design currently has a white background, which won't work with Redbubble and TeePublic. This is why you have to remove its background. You can use a tool for this, such as Photoshop, but because they are paid, I have a free tool for you. Head over to Remove BG and click on Upload Image. Just upload your design and give it a few seconds to process. Look at the design now. It has a transparent background. This means you can easily upload it on platforms like Redbubble and TeePublic. Click on Download HD and it will ask you to sign up before you can download this image. Once you sign up, you can easily download your design. Editing in Canva. When your design with a transparent background is ready, the next step is to edit it. Go to Canva and sign in to your account. Click Create a Design and then click Custom Size. Type 5000 by 5000 and click Create New Design. You will have a white page ready for you. Click Uploads and click Upload Files. Then upload your design. Here you can see your design on the white page. Make it bigger by stretching the corners of your design. To add text, click on the Text option. Then click Add a subheading and drag it to the middle of the page, ensuring it stays below the design. Start typing. Nothing is true, everything is permitted, and click on the font option. You will find a list of different fonts, but most won't be available for free. Choose a free font and check if it makes the text easy to read. After choosing the font, drag the text box's corners to make the text bigger. Your design is looking excellent and impressive. It's time to go ahead and download it now. To download, click Share and then click Download. You might notice that Canva's free version does not offer a transparent background option. Therefore, I'll have to download it with a white background. Keep the file type as PNG and click Download. Your design will be saved on your computer. Remove background again. Head over to Remove BG and click on Upload Image. Upload your design and wait. You can see that this tool has removed the white background and has generated a transparent background. Click Download HD, but this time it will indicate that you have 0 credits left. However, there's no need to worry. You can still save the low-quality image to your computer. Once you have your AI-generated sticker, return to the AI image upscaler and follow the same steps I previously explained. After upscaling the image, your design will be ready, and you can easily upload it to Redbubble and TeePublic. All you need to do is create an account and go ahead and upload your AI sticker. Oh, and remember to add some relevant tags too. You can easily make more AI stickers by following the same steps and uploading them to these platforms. Having a more extensive collection of stickers in your store will offer people a greater range of options. This is a straightforward way to make money online. Before you go, take a quick peek at the video showing up on your screen right now. If you found today's tips on earning online helpful, you'll find this next one even more valuable. It's all about boosting your income in ways you haven't thought of yet. So, give it a click. You won't regret it.